Hey guys, just wanted to give you another quick, easy thing for the 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan, aka the Daddy Wagon here. If you are looking at replacing the cabin air filter, please make sure you double check your vehicle first. And I'll show you what I mean right here, because I see a lot of people going out and buying the air filter that is listed as compatible, but it's not. So let's take a look and see what I'm talking about here. You go in here, you just reach over on the sides, pull them in, just like this. It drops down. You guys can see this. There is no cabin air filter. If that is the cabin air filter area that you check out, that is a solid unit. The only way to replace the air filter on there is to actually replace the entire unit itself. So don't bother with the cabin air filters if that's the way your vehicle is set up. Just go ahead and pass on it. All right, any other questions? Just close up the glove box again and you're good to go.